Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know those key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my spin.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this super cute unit from Xrsbeauty. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. All the links on this hair will be listed in my description box, but we're going to get a little bit more into the hair in a couple of seconds. But before we can get into this video, I'm going to need you guys to thumbs this video up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this. Alright, so today, do y'all see this wig that I'm about to put on? I'm about to zoom in so y'all can see the quality of this lace. And when I tell y'all I did not have to pluck this wig, I did not have to bleach the knots on this wig, nothing. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks like. And I just showed several different people this unit because I just been so in awe, like, what? You literally can take this right out of the box and just put it on, which is exactly what I'm doing. But do y'all see this? It looks like I took my time, plucked it, and everything. You can't see nothing. Also, the reason why I can get away with not bleaching the knots on this wig is because this wig has single knots. And I'm gonna show y'all on the screen like what's the difference between a double knot and a single knot. This wig has single knots, which means that you can barely see them. So it doesn't make a difference whether or not, you know, I bleach knots because you can't see them regardless. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to just put this unit on. This lace, as y'all can see, is super clear, but I'm still gonna do my makeup, do everything normal because I don't want to throw off my like little routine. So I'm gonna do everything normal, and then I will talk to you guys when we get to like styling and all that good stuff.
Poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm just screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. But I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. You don't ski, I'm the lowest of the low. Cause if you can keep it, let nobody know.
Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna do a side part with curls today. Something super quick and easy. Hopefully it comes out good. I really don't have time for it tonight. I'm just gonna do a side part with some really cute body curls. This is some straight hair, so hopefully it stays. I guess we'll see together if this hair can hold a curl or not. But yeah, that's the look that I'm going for today. I have a party to go to actually, y'all. I'm going to a Brats versus Barbie party, and I am a brat. I mean, what am I talking about? I am a Barbie, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go for like some candy curls, real cute. Let me zoom out for y'all so y'all can see all the hair. I'm just gonna go for a side part with some cute curls. Only thing I'm worried about is just it not holding the curl. That's literally it. But everything else about this wig seems pretty promising as far as the lace. The hair quality is amazing. I don't even think I've even mentioned that, but like literally y'all, this hair is so thick. But yeah, the problem that I mostly see with hair companies and straight hair, it starts off thick and then it gets like super thin at the bottom. I find that this hair is like more so on the thicker side on the bottom, so I really like that. As you guys can see, it's not super long, but it's a good length. I like this type of length for curls. I just feel like curls come out way better on this length hair because it's not a lot of hair weighing it down, and it can hold a curl better that way. With longer hair, it's kind of hard to keep the hair curled up. So I like that. I'm about to cut some light layers into this unit. I'm just gonna go through and just go in like that downward motion all around my head and just put some layers in here. That's gonna help the curls hold better as well. And I'm really not cutting that much hair off. It looks like I'm cutting a lot off, but it's really not that much hair coming off. It's just to give it like a layered effect. And the lower I go, the lower I'm gonna cut the layers because I'm not trying to lose any length. And I am opting for a bang, so for this I am gonna cut into the hair a little bit more. Because I do want a bang moment. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, minute, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, habit, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that A.
Alright, so today I'm going to be curling my hair with the T3. I think this is a 1-inch curler, I believe so. And I got this from Ulta, and I'm just going to go around all of my head, just curling my hair away from my face. So yeah, that's really like the only method that I have, and I really don't know how to explain my little method, but I did curl one piece just to make sure that this hair is gonna curl, and it seems to be holding the curl pretty good. So I can go ahead and start curling the rest of my hair. And so that they stay longer, what I'm gonna do is pin them up until I'm ready to take them down. So yeah, just gonna go all around my head, curling up my hair with this T3. And I am going to be using some hairspray as well. I'm using the Xrsbeauty Extra Hold, and I just spray this all over the hair.
Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, holla, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, minute, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, habit, sipping acorn, rich, nigga on A1, baby, back in that acorn, baby, butter pecan, bringing that on a refund, breaking that back till I see the sun, fuck the bitch on the dick, keep me get on her neck, she only coming for 6, speeding that bitch, I still got my foot on that neck, finna put on the wrist, we used to drop it at X, from the strong gotta keep it a gun, I'm not a regular but that's strong, fucking whole by the week every month, she want me sticking it deep in her gut, let me know if you with it or what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm full with these niggas a dub. Money, hold up, gotta, cut up, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, surf, pop up, hurt, pop up, smurf, lot of dirt, I can call up dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sipping, dripping, tipping, tripping, women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, gonna, wanna, come on, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, Hunter, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wait.
Basement's on the way, please don't rag. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, or that don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got it new, what the f you crying for? I'm moving soft, calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it pays it right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Whatever long, I'm on secret spot. Can't be outside, cause I'm not getting
So y'all, I'm done curling up my hair. I just got it all pent up. It's time to take off this band. I don't even feel like undoing the knot. Ooh, do y'all see that scalp? But I don't feel like undoing the knot I made in the back, so I'm just cut this off. Oh, this looks so good. I might not even do baby hairs. This looks good. Maybe I should cut it off with a razor. See how that looks. Yeah, it's giving scalp. It's giving scalp. Don't play with that, girl. Do y'all see that? Wait till I get this ashiness off. Giving scalp. I might not even do baby hairs. I really don't even have to do baby hairs because it's just so melted and it's just giving. This came and grew out of my head. Like, this is crazy. And the fact that I did not have to pluck this wig or nothing is even more crazy. Like, what? This was like the perfect wig for me to put on today because I'm literally low-key like in a rush and I didn't have to do nothing but style it. And that's just like so ideal for a unit. Okay. This is what it's given. What I'm about to do to get rid of this ashiness is just take a little bit of this stuff on my finger and just rub it all around that lace. That's just gonna get rid of the ashiness and also make sure that all the edges of this unit is laid down. I just rub it on there. And then what I'm gonna do is take my blow dryer and the end of a rat tail comb and just like hold it down while it dries. So y'all, I think that's it for my hair for now. I'm about to hurry up and do my makeup and I'll be right back. My hair, I mean not my hair. My makeup is done. Now it's time to take out these clips and see how everything is looking. One and already fell, so it is what it is. I'm about to take the rest of them out and then comb through it. Hopefully everything looks good because I really don't got time to even be playing with my hair right now. But I'm just about to go through and take all of these clips out. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. We got one potential problem. I want you to take me serious. Oh, baby.
I need total confidential private. No one knows thinking I'm a roommate.
Okay, so this is what the curls look like. About to comb through with a wide tooth comb and we're gonna hope for the best. Do y'all see right, so y'all, this is my hair. I am so in love with it. As you guys can see, the curls are super pretty on this hair. It literally held up so good, and I'm just like so happy. Hopefully it holds all night. I'm gonna spray a lot more hairspray on it, but I don't think I'm gonna do any baby hairs or anything because I think that it looks super cute like this. But I'm about to get dressed, and then I'm gonna come back and do the outro of this video. So I'm gonna let you guys see the whole entire. So y'all, this is my hair. I love it so much. I just want to say thank you Xrsbeauty so much for sponsoring this video. I really enjoyed installing this hair. It was super easy, and this hair came out so freaking cute. I just keep messing with my bang because I'm like a perfectionist, but I love it. Like, this came out exactly how I wanted it to, and I'm just so happy at the outcome. The quality of this hair seems to be amazing, but I will give you guys a update because I will have in this hair for probably about a week, so I will give you guys like a full review in the comment section in about a week of how I feel about this hair. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because I catch baby slick. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to head out to this party. If you are still watching this video, please go to my Instagram and like my pictures because I will have pictures up for this look. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. Bye.